Let's install this curly box braid pixie bob full lace wig. It has 2 combs to the front sides, 1 comb to the back, and 2 pair of adjustable straps to secure it in place. The braids look like micro braids, very tiny. It has a second layer of lace on the underside. I felt this would mess up my install, so I cut it off. I then applied my stocking cap and I proceeded to apply my lace adhesive. I then attached the wig to the glue, using a comb to press the lace into the glue. I then used my elastic band to tie it down for 15 minutes. I used hairspray to mold the braids how I wanted them to sit. I then removed the elastic band and cut the excess lace. I then added some baby hairs and it all came together beautifully.